pretty high res photo. You can see I'm only at 33% here. So on my desktop, let's see, what is it called? Road. There it is. Yeah, it's 336 megabytes. Yeah, it's pretty big. Let's do this. Let's go in here. We're going to go to image. We're going to go to image size. I don't really want to resample. I kind of want to keep it all the same. So let me try this. I'm going to uncheck resample, and the width is 68 inches, which is gigantic. How about we do 40? I don't know. And because I didn't resample, it's probably going to be the same size. Let's just try File, Save As, because I didn't throw away any of the pixels, but I did resize it. Let's see if it makes a difference. Road 2, desktop, save. Okay, no, it's still going to be big. Road 2, yeah, see, it's the same size because it didn't throw away the pixels. All right, so image, again, image size. I am going to choose resample because it's going to throw away some pixels. Now I'm just going to choose automatic. The resolution is 72, but it's just like gigantic. So let's try 35. You can see it's actually shrinking down. It says it's going from 47 to 12. Let's click OK. And you're going to see it shrink, which is fine. Might take a second. There's a lot of information in here. So this is 66.7%. That's fine. Let's see. File, save as. I'll just save it as road 2 again. Save, replace. Okay, so now it's 97 megabytes. Okay, that's what you want to do. So one last time, image size. Do not uncheck resample. Let's make it 35 inches. Click OK. It will resize and then save it out. Let's try and get it to around 100 megabytes or less.